YouTube, it's me again, and I have an amazing project I was planning for this weekend. It's partially underway. I already started on it yesterday, actually, and it is this beautiful thing right here. This is the Drift Army rear bash bar for the Miata, and it was kind of a pain actually getting this thing because I ordered it late July. And they said it'll be a 1 to 3 week time frame until I get it. I was like, okay, that's no problem. That's too easy. So 5 weeks later, it wasn't here yet. And I emailed them, what's going on? Oh, there was a delay. It'll be here next week. It didn't come the next week either. It finally didn't show up until about 7 weeks afterwards. And I was kind of upset about that. But it's okay because it's here now. It's painted. It's still dry. I have to put probably another layer of clear on it. Just protect the gold. And then I'm going to put that on. And I have another project I'm going to work on. A little experiment, if you would, with polishing the lip of these wheels right here. Of course I'm going to clean them up and everything first, but I'm going to use the car as a lathe, if you would, like jack the rear up, put it in gear, and just have the wheels spin. And then I have a bunch of sanding blocks and steel wool and all kinds of wonderful things that I can use to bring it to a mirror finish. So that's another little, just more of an experiment than a project, but we'll see how it goes. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and take this rear bumper off and get started. Alright y'all, so I got the bar mounted. The paint is still not dry on it, but I was able to get on here. After looking at it and looking at the bumper, I decided that I'm not going to put the bumper on. I'm just going to have the bar by itself. And I think what I'm going to do is trim off the wheel well piece right here. Just maybe like right here. And then bring it up over there like behind where the brakes go. It's like this little shelf basically would have to come out. I think that's what I'm gonna do. It's not structural. It's actually kind of flimsy, like I can move it. So I think that's what I'm about to do. Alright y'all, so it's the day after. I didn't get to finish the video the day of because I had some other things I had to do. But the bar is complete, it's back on. The paint came out very well. I was sweating because it was hot and I actually messed up one of the spots on it. But, like right here, I don't know if y'all can really see, yeah, like right there. But it's okay, I can touch it up because I still have more paint to do for the front bash bars. But, other than that, the installation went pretty smooth. I had to scrape together some bolts and nuts to fit them. I actually still need to get one for over here and one for over here because these holes are smaller than the other ones. But other than that, the job was complete. It was very, very simple install. I did have to drop the exhaust, but it's on V-bands, so it was pretty much effortless. The hangers were a little rough, but I had to replace one of them, so I'm glad I took it down anyway. But yeah, other than that, yeah, pretty simple install. Just something quick. It changes the look of the car. Everyone always looks at it like, what's going on with that thing? But you know, just part of the game, I guess. So yeah, I have a surprise on my next video. I'm sure most of you will like it, if not all of you. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.